Hello and welcome to the Wholistic Media Agency's YouTube channel. My name is Angie Lyle and I am the president and founder of Wholistic Media Agency in Kansas City. I've been doing a lot of social media marketing and networking and content producing ever since I started my first MySpace account in 2005. And I've been working with a lot of really big name clients. It's been such a fun ride. And as such, we've been branching out and trying to do a lot more tutorials. We get so many client questions that we decided to launch this YouTube channel. And we will be putting out tutorials on this channel, how to do time lapse, how to create really cool content, how to do stop motion, and then we'll be exploring the metaverse. We'll be teaching people how to build their brand in the metaverse, how to use it. A lot of people think it's just a gaming app, but it is definitely going to be the next generation, especially for young audiences, if that's where you want to be. So I really hope that you'll subscribe, you'll tap that bell so you'll get the notifications. We go live every Friday morning with the social media files. That happens at 9 Pacific, 11 Central, 12 Eastern, and I go live with my team, our creative director Haley Chafin, and our TikTok expert and voiceover talent Ashley Young, and we talk about everything. We get trends, we get strategy, we get content creation ideas, we talk about everything, and we're accepting your questions. So in the link to this description, you'll actually see a link to ask your question if you have one. So it can be answered live on social media files. Otherwise, you can come and check out our tutorials anytime you want to learn something new. And if you don't see something in the tutorials yet, shoot us another message on that same form and we'll make a tutorial for you. Yeah, we're always looking for some good ideas. We're trying to put a really robust library together. And so again, subscribe, tap the bell, and we'll see you around YouTube.